video in a while, but it's just, I know it's easier for people just to yap. I'm one of the person, I just don't yap. I just don't talk about me. I just don't talk about my life. So I'm very boring. I work, I clean my house, I take care of the Roxy girl, and then I do the same thing over the next day. Am I lonely? I'm sometimes. But I don't want to be labeled as a loneliness influencer. I don't want to be labeled as an influencer at all, because I'm not. I don't influence anybody to do anything. I can't influence myself to make a simple decision. If I have too many choices, it's like, I don't know. I don't want to do any of them. But yeah, I'm about to do run, so run with me at least. Start the run. Oh, I did do that over the weekend. Put up, one fell off where the bikes are, and I think I need something stronger to anchor it to the wall. Maybe I'll do that this weekend. But yeah, I got the tools up. I still have that. So I'm gonna get some shelving for the totes. Yeah, I have a plan. It's gonna be more organized than what it is. I'm sweating. I feel good. Anytime I go on the treadmill, I say affirmations to myself. Maybe I'll share that with you guys. That's content, right? Filter, just me and the raw. And sweating, I'm drenched in sweat. I love how I feel right now. I did 2 miles, and now I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. I'm gonna make chicken breast and spinach salad with red onion, because I love red onion. Sorry, there was a big bug. Texas and its bugs. Alrighty, so let's make dinner. I got a bag of spinach. A knife. And how do I do this with no central vision? I learned through my social worker, BSVI with the state of Ohio. You curve your knuckles like this. See? And just be very careful. Take my time. Have I cut myself? Yes. Do I want to do that again? No. Remember, I have peripheral vision, so I use that as much as I can. But with having no central vision, where the knife's cutting, you gotta be very careful. Red onion, knuckles. I love red onion. I think I'm gonna use the rest of it. Is my cuts professional level? Absolutely not. I'm not a chef. And instead of croutons, I used rice cakes for a crunch. And it's white cheddar flavor, so it gives me the cheesiness too. And I just crunch them up on top of my salad. Now let me get the chicken breast. So I got the chicken. This whole packet lasted me a week for lunch and dinner. Knuckles, I like to have them chunked. Just makes it easier to eat. So I'm gonna cut this and throw them in the pan. So my head's cut off, that's okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this chicken in this cast iron pot with olive oil. Let's see if I can. Soy sauce. Lemon pepper. Pepper. And a dash of Himalayan salt. This is to handle the cast iron pot. This is gonna get hot. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Mexican hot sauce on it, a little spice. This bottle was a value. It was cheap. And it's good hot sauce. I'm gonna do a little kimchi on the side. Little spice. I love fermented food. It's good for your gut. So there we are. Take a little bite. So here's my dinner as a type 2 diabetic. I have some kimchi, spinach salad with some ranch dressing, crumbled rice cake, and red onion, and grilled chicken breast. I really need to get my protein in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Okay, so now it's time for dessert. I want something, ironically, as a diabetic, sweet, but it's going to be healthy. Yellow watermelon. I never had yellow watermelon before.
How much bigger can I get? You might not recognize. It is more than the feederism too.
So watching a documentary
To relive her trauma.
But
and if there's any collateral damage, that does still fall on me.
It does taste different than your normal red not pineapple, watermelon.
There's several truths to the story. All I can
This is good.
do is be honest about what I saw, experienced, and felt.
For $3.97 for a couple of slices, that's a good bargain.
I didn't come home and immediately pour over every photo.
Good.
I did it in doses. It became very clear to me that I came across something that was so much more than a personal project.
After dinner, my biggest Achilles heel is that I'm snacky.
To an editor
I want
at
to
one of the papers that I
eat.
worked for. They weren't interested in running it. And for
That's
some
one
reason,
of the
I just heard the
symptoms
first
of
note of this and just stopped digging.
Diabetes, your appetite.
Felt right.
I don't feel like I ever get full.
Unfinished for me. Yeah.
So I have to rely on my willpower
The door on it.
to just stop.
If I'm scrolling on TikTok late at night and they're like, I'll click it and I'll watch.
So when I do
The
snack,
same anger about betrayal.
I put
that
my
was over 4 years ago now.
healthy snacks in my
At the
cupboard
end
and
of the day, they all
refrigerator.
used to be friends, and it's like, how did we get here? Where does that switch flip?
And it's seedless, which I like. All right, guys. Till next time.